What I gathered when I was marking your papers, number one is that people are not reading. You're not reading your notes. You're not reading your notes or the work that you've done. You're just sitting down and waiting for the exam, and then you're just doing guesswork. And because you know this is CSL, you think you can just pass by what? By just writing anything. You'll be shocked. You know the exam that you're going to do will be marked by the neck, right? It's not me. So you read for that exam, not this one. And if you know you're going tomorrow home, if you're going home tomorrow for school fees, make sure you leave your, it's called what? Portfolio. Very good. With your friend, or I record now when I'm here. Because now, when you're not there and I record now, I don't know what's going to happen. Because you're supposed to leave your portfolio. So we were talking about you saying, number one, you have been elected through a popular vote by members of your class representative for the subject, community service learning. You're expected to show leadership and development in your role. What do you understand by the term leadership? It is the ability to guide and inspire a group of people to reach a shared goal. So the main point there is guiding and inspiring. If you don't talk about inspiring others or guiding them, I don't give you the point. That was just 1 mark. B, state 5 qualities of an effective leader that will be expected of you. Qualities. Qualities is like integrity, empathy, effective communication, resilience, accountability, decision making, problem solving, creative thinking, critical thinking, responsibility, kindness, humility, courage. Those are qualities. Part C, give 3 ways in which you may develop your leadership ability. You can develop your leadership ability through mentorship. It's only 3. Initiative, you take initiative, and then through active learning. Only those 3. Through mentorship, if you look at your notes, we wrote about mentorship, taking initiative, and then through active learning. So mentorship, initiative, and active learning. Question D, state 4 leadership styles that you may apply. 4 leadership styles: democratic leadership, we have transformative leadership, situational leadership, and servant. So we have democratic, transformative, situational, and servant. Part E, state the appropriate leadership style that was applied by the following persons during their tenure in leadership. So, what leadership style did they apply in their tenure? Professor Wangari Maathai of Kenya, transformative. Transformative. We talked about it when we were talking about transformative. President Mwalimu Julius Nyerere, servant. Servant. And then President Ellen Johnson Sirleaf of Liberia, democratic. Democratic. Actually, they're even in your textbooks. That's only the what was there. Yes. Yes. We continue. We are in F. Give 3 reasons why leadership is important in CSL. Why leadership is important. Provides clear goals for what community projects aims to address. So it provides clear goals. It provides clear goals for what community projects aims to address. So it provides clear goals. Number 2, it helps in resource mobilization. So leadership enables one to mobilize the resources. So helps in resource mobilization. It also helps in conflict resolution within a team. If there is conflict within the team, you can be able to resolve if you have good leadership. So helps in conflict resolution within a team. It motivates and inspires motivation. Motivates. If you say motivates, I give you. If you also say it inspires motivation, I also give you. Ensures the group is organized. Ensures the group is organized. Question 2. Your CSL project implementation is about to kick off. You need leaders who will help you steer the project through stages. List 6 leadership roles required for the CSL project. Actually, most of the people don't know the meaning of leadership roles. Roles are just the positions that you take. You are writing things which are out of topic. So the leadership roles here: project coordinator, communication officer, treasurer, field supervisor, secretary, community liaison, chairperson, assistant chairperson, assistant secretary. And I'm going to repeat: project coordinator, communication officer, treasurer, field supervisor, secretary, community liaison, chairperson, assistant chairperson, assistant secretary. B. State whether the following statements regarding the intercultural interactions are true or false. Stereotypes helps in building lasting peace. False. Cultural sensitivity involves being aware of cultural differences exist. True. Empathy is the capacity to understand what other people feel. True. Tolerance is the ability to endure opinions or behavior that one dislikes. True. Question 3. Community events that brings people from different communities together are referred to as intercultural activities. Community events that bring people from different communities together are referred to as intercultural activities. Identify at least 6 intercultural activities that Kenyan students from different ethnic groups can participate in. Music, drama, or you say music and drama, cultural days, sports tournaments, exchange programs or language exchange, joint community service, debate and symposiums, cultural workshops, trade fairs. I repeat: music and drama, cultural days, sports tournaments, exchange programs or language exchange, joint community service, debate and symposiums, cultural workshops, and trade fairs. 4. Explain 4 issues that affect intercultural competence in Kenya. Issues that affect intercultural competence: stereotypes, misconceptions, biases, and hostilities. Only those 4 issues that affect intercultural competence, whereby you are able to relate well with people from different communities. So there's stereotypes, misconceptions, biases, and hostilities. 5. Give 4 ways in which intercultural issues are developed. Ways in which intercultural issues are developed: negative media presentation, negative media presentation, through propaganda, through ignorance, and through family or society or community. That is how you get intercultural issues. That is how they develop. If you have negative media presentation through propaganda,